In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up a board or workspace in Monday.com. If you want to keep your project data safe, creating regular backups is a simple habit that can save you a lot of trouble later. Whether you're protecting important task information, timelines, updates, or attached documents, the goal is to make sure you always have a copy of your data outside the platform. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to do that in a clear and practical way. Start by opening monday.com and navigating to the specific board or workspace you want to back up. Take a moment here to make sure you're in the correct location before exporting anything. If you manage several boards with similar names, it's a good idea to double check that you've selected the right one so your backup includes the information you actually need. Next, export the board data to Excel if that option is available. This gives you a downloadable file containing the board's structured information, which can be useful for record keeping, reporting, or restoring details later if needed. Once the export is complete, save the file to your device and make sure the download finishes successfully before moving on. If your board includes files or attachments, remember that these may need to be downloaded separately. The Excel export usually focuses on the board data itself, so attached documents, images, or other uploaded files might not be included in the same file. Go through the relevant items and download any important attachments you want to preserve as part of the backup. After that, save everything in a secure location. This could be a protected folder on your computer, an encrypted drive, or a trusted cloud storage location used for backups. The important thing is to choose a place that is organized, easy for you to find later, and secure enough to protect sensitive business information. When you save the backup, name it with the date. This makes it much easier to track versions over time and identify the most recent copy when you need it. A clear naming format helps you stay organized, especially if you plan to back up your boards regularly. Before you consider the process finished, open the backup file and check it carefully to confirm the data is complete. Make sure the main board content appears as expected and verify that any separately downloaded attachments are present as well. This quick review helps catch issues right away instead of discovering later that something important was missed. Finally, repeat this process regularly. Backups are most useful when they're current, so building this into your routine can help protect your work and give you peace of mind.